Alrighty. We've reached the false summit of Mt.Lady Macdonald. Celebrating with a beef stick. And we're gonna go do the traverse, I suppose. And I also found this shell. It's a fossil, I believe. Pretty lit. We've reached the final push. About 900 feet gain here in about 0.2 miles, and we'll be at the top. Alrighty, we are reaching summit.
I wish you could zoom in.
Yeah, it's quite magnificent, and now we have to walk back down.